In this tutorial, I will help you to downgrade iOS 26 to the final public iOS 18 version on an iPhone without losing data. First, take a backup of all your data to your iCloud account. Launch the Settings app and tap on the profile name. Tap on iCloud and move to iCloud Backup. Then tap on the Backup Now option. As you can see, my recent backup is here. If you don't have enough space in iCloud or choose not to upgrade your storage, then back up on your Mac or Windows PC. Connect your iPhone to a Mac or PC. Launch the Finder and open your device from the left of the Finder window. Click on the Backup Now option and wait for the backup to complete. Windows users can follow the same steps on iTunes for backup. Now, download the ipsw file on your Mac from the internet and go to ipsw.me. Click on your device and model name, and download the latest signed ipsw file version from the list. Suppose I want to downgrade to iOS 18.6.2. Click on Allow and save the ipsw file to Mac. The next step is to install the downloaded ipsw file to your iPhone. Before that, turn off Find My from Settings. Launch the Settings app. Under Profile Name, scroll and click on Find My. Tap on Find My iPhone and disable the Find My iPhone toggle. Verify with your Apple ID password and confirm it. Now, in the Finder window, click on the iPhone name and see the Restore iPhone option. Press Option from your MacBook keyboard and click on Restore iPhone to browse the recently downloaded iOS 18 ipsw file. The steps are the same for all MacBook Air, iMac, and Mac Mini models. Browse the file from your Mac and open it. Windows users can use iTunes and follow the same steps, but hold Shift and click Restore iPhone. Wait while your device erases and installs iOS 18.
Once the installation is finished, you can either select your latest iOS 18 backup from your iCloud account or restore it from Mac or PC, which will allow all your apps, settings, and data to be restored. For now, we can't restore the iOS 26 backup file to the iOS 18 system files. Apple doesn't allow you to do that for privacy reasons. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for new free tech guide video updates.